Question 1. Which type of interview focuses on assessing soft skills and personality fit? Option A, technical interview. Option B, HR interview. Option C, a behavioral interview. Option D, a case interview. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option C, a behavioral interview. Explanation. Behavioral interviews are designed to evaluate a candidate's soft skills and how they handle various work situations. Question 2. What is typically the first step in the interview process? Option A, screening or initial interview. Option B, HR round. Option C, final interview. Option D, a technical round. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option A, screening or initial interview. Explanation. The interview process usually starts with a screening or initial interview to assess basic fit for the role. Question 3. Why is it important to set realistic goals before interviews? Option A. To manage stress and focus your preparation effectively. Option B. To guarantee a job offer. Option C. To ensure you only apply for easy jobs. Option D. To avoid any kind of preparation. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option A. To manage stress and focus your preparation effectively. Explanation. Setting realistic goals helps manage expectations, reduce stress, and target preparation efficiently. Question 4. What is a key advantage of video interviews? Option A. They are always easier than in-person interviews. Option B. They eliminate the need for communication skills. Option C. They help avoid any technical evaluation. Option D. They allow remote candidates to participate. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option D. They allow remote candidates to participate. Explanation. Video interviews are convenient and enable remote candidates to interview without traveling. Question 5. How can setting expectations help in interview preparation? Option A. It increases pressure to perform. Option B. It avoids preparation altogether. Option C. It allows better focus and goal tracking. Option D. It encourages procrastination. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option C. It allows better focus and goal tracking. Explanation. Realistic expectations allow for better preparation by aligning effort with achievable outcomes. Question 6. What is a key characteristic of a behavioral interview? Option A. It only involves group activities. Option B. It tests typing speed. Option C. It focuses on past experiences and behaviors. Option D. It involves coding problems. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option C. It focuses on past experiences and behaviors. Explanation. Behavioral interviews assess how a candidate handled past work situations to predict future behavior. Question 7. What is the purpose of the initial screening interview? Option A. To negotiate salary. Option B. To evaluate basic qualifications and fit. Option C. To make a job offer. Option D. To test technical knowledge, take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option B. To evaluate basic qualifications and fit explanation. The screening interview is used to determine if the candidate meets basic role and cultural fit before proceeding. Question 8. Which of these formats best replicates a real workplace environment? Option A, panel interview. Option B, in-person interview. Option C, group interview. Option D, a phone interview. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option B. In-person interview. Explanation. In-person interviews allow both the candidate and the employer to better assess compatibility in a real setting. Question 9. Why is consistency important in interview preparation? Option A. It ensures you memorize questions. Option B. It avoids applying to new jobs. Option C. It builds habits and reinforces knowledge. Option D. It guarantees a job offer. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option C. It builds habits and reinforces knowledge. Explanation. Consistent preparation helps you steadily improve and feel more confident over time. Question 10. What is one risk of setting unrealistic job search goals? Option A, burnout and disappointment. Option B, higher success rate. Option C, improved confidence. Option D, faster job offers. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option A, burnout and disappointment. Explanation. Unrealistic goals may lead to excessive stress and disappointment, reducing long-term motivation. Question 11. When should you send a follow-up thank you email? Option A. Before the interview. Option B. During the interview. Option C. Within 24 hours after the interview. Option D. Only if you get rejected. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option C. Within 24 hours after the interview. Explanation. A thank you email should be sent within 24 hours of the interview to express appreciation and reinforce interest. Question 12. How often should you evaluate your job search progress? Option A. Only after 6 months. Option B, regularly, such as weekly or bi-weekly. Option C. Never. Option D. Once you get a job. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option B, regularly, such as weekly or bi-weekly. Explanation. Regularly reviewing your job search helps you adjust strategies and stay motivated. Question 13. What should you bring to a job interview? Option A, gifts for the interview. Option B, multiple copies of your resume. Option C, snacks. Option D, your favorite book. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option B, multiple copies of your resume. Explanation. You should always bring extra copies of your resume to interviews in case multiple interviews are present. Question 14. What does a final round interview typically involve? Option A, technical tests only. Option B, only HR questions. Option C, our meetings with senior management or the hiring manager. Option D, salary negotiation. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option C, a meetings with senior management or the hiring manager. Explanation. The final round often includes deeper discussions with leadership to assess cultural and strategic fit. Question 15. Why might a company conduct multiple interview rounds? Option A, to reduce their workload. Option B, to evaluate different aspects like skills, fit, and culture. Option C, to delay hiring. Option D, to confuse candidates. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option B, to evaluate different aspects like skills, fit, and culture. Explanation. Each interview round serves a purpose: skills assessment, team fit, leadership buy-in, etc. Question 16. Which interview format is most commonly used for remote candidates? Option A, group interview. Option B, video interview. Option C, in-person interview. Option D, panel interview. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option B, the video interview. Explanation. Video interviews are widely used to evaluate remote or international candidates before an in-person meeting. Question 17. In which interview type are candidates assessed simultaneously? Option A, HR interview. Option B, group interview. Option C, a phone interview. Option D, a video interview. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option B, group interview. Explanation. Group interviews involve multiple candidates being interviewed at the same time, often to evaluate interaction and collaboration. Question 18. What does the STAR method help with in interviews? Option A, learning technical concepts. Option B, writing a resume. Option C, answering behavioral questions. Option D, scheduling interviews. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option C, answering behavioral questions. Explanation. The STAR method, situation, task, action, result, helps structure responses to behavioral interview questions clearly and effectively. Question 19. Which type of interview is most likely to include personal stories and anecdotes? Option A, case interview. Option B, behavioral interview. Option C, technical interview. Option D, group interview. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option B, behavioral interview. Explanation. Behavioral interviews ask candidates to share past experiences using structured responses like the STAR method. Question 20. Which interview type is often used to test communication and collaboration skills? Option A, one-on-one interview. Option B, phone interview. Option C, group interview. Option D, a video interview. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option C, group interview. Explanation. Group interviews assess how candidates interact, communicate, and solve problems together in a team setting. Question 1. What is a red flag for interviews during an interview? Option A, wearing business attire. Option B, bringing a notebook. Option C, not researching the company beforehand. Option D, asking about company values. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option C. Not researching the company beforehand. Explanation. Not knowing about the company shows a lack of interest or preparation, which can hurt your chances. Question 2. Which format provides the least visual feedback? Option A, video interview. Option B, phone interview. Option C, panel interview. Option D, in-person interview. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option B, phone interview. Explanation. Phone interviews lack visual cues, making it harder to gauge reactions and build rapport. Question 3. Which type of interview often involves open-ended questions like "Tell me about a time you"? Option A, a behavioral interview. Option B, phone interview. Option C, technical interview. Option D, a panel interview. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option A, a behavioral interview. Explanation. Behavioral interviews are designed to understand past behavior and how you handle different work situations. Question 4. What should your goal be during the first few interviews? Option A, only apply for your dream company. Option B, perfect every answer. Option C, avoid talking to the interview. Option D, gain experience and learn from feedback. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option D, gain experience and learn from feedback. Explanation. Every interview helps you grow. Early interviews can be valuable practice and learning experiences. Question 5. Which of the following is not a type of job interview? Option A, case interview. Option B, shopping interview. Option C, a behavioral interview. Option D, a technical interview. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option B, shopping interview. Explanation. Shopping interview is not a real term. The others are valid interview types used in recruiting. Question 6. What is a limitation of video interviews? Option A, they involve written tests. Option B, they are always face-to-face. Option C, they don't allow any interaction. Option D, they may suffer from technical glitches or poor connection. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option D. They may suffer from technical glitches or poor connection. Explanation. Technical issues such as lag or dropped connections can make communication harder during video interviews. Question 7. What should your goal be after getting rejected from a job? Option A, give up the job search. Option B, send angry emails. Option C, evaluate feedback and continue improving. Option D, apply to fewer jobs. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option C, evaluate feedback and continue improving. Explanation. Rejections are part of the process. Learning from them and improving helps build long-term success. Question 8. What does an HR interview typically focus on? Option A, team projects. Option B, the technical skills. Option C, only academic records. Option D, cultural fit and soft skills. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option D, cultural fit and soft skills. Explanation. HR interviews evaluate how well a candidate aligns with the company's values and team culture. Question 9. What does it mean if an interview is structured? Option A, it follows a consistent set of questions for all candidates. Option B, it involves free conversation. Option C, it is always done online. Option D, it requires no preparation. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option A, it follows a consistent set of questions for all candidates. Explanation. Structured interviews follow a predefined set of questions, which allows fair comparison among candidates. Question 10. Which interview often includes solving real-world problems on the spot? Option A, HR interview. Option B, behavioral interview. Option C, group interview. Option D, a case interview. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option D, case interview. Explanation. Case interviews simulate real business problems to test analytical thinking and decision-making skills. Question 11. What makes a technical interview unique? Option A, it is always conducted in groups. Option B, it focuses on problem solving and job-specific skills. Option C, it includes behavioral questions. Option D, it does not involve any questions. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option B, it focuses on problem solving and job-specific skills. Explanation. Technical interviews assess your problem-solving abilities and subject matter knowledge related to the job. Question 12. What is the main purpose of a job description during the hiring process? Option A, to advertise company parties. Option B, to outline the role's responsibilities and requirements. Option C, to describe the ideal candidate's family background. Option D, to provide legal guidelines. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option B, to outline the role's responsibilities and requirements. Explanation. Job descriptions help both employers and candidates align on role expectations and necessary qualifications. Question 13. Which format allows interviews to collaborate in evaluating a candidate? Option A, panel interview. Option B, one-on-one interview. Option C, phone interview. Option D, group interview. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option A, panel interview. Explanation. Panel interviews involve multiple interviewers asking questions and discussing the candidate's performance together. Question 14. Which interview format can include both HR and technical questions in one sitting? Option A, case interview. Option B, group interview. Option C, phone interview. Option D, a panel interview. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option D, panel interview. Explanation. Panel interviews often feature multiple interviews from different departments, allowing a mix of question types. Question 15. What's one benefit of setting short-term goals during job hunting? Option A. They help track and celebrate small wins. Option B. They guarantee long-term success. Option C. They require no effort. Option D. They avoid dealing with interviews. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option A. They help track and celebrate small wins. Explanation. Short-term goals create momentum and motivation by showing tangible progress in the job search journey. Question 16. What is a key trait interviewers look for in behavioral interviews? Option A. Speed. Option B. Silence. Option C. Fashion sense. Option D. Storytelling and self-awareness. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option D. Storytelling and self-awareness. Explanation. Behavioral interviews value clear storytelling and self-awareness about past decisions and results. Question 17. Why do employers often include multiple stakeholders in interviews? Option A. To confuse the candidate. Option B. To gather diverse perspectives on the candidate's fit. Option C. To avoid making a decision. Option D. To delay hiring. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option B. To gather diverse perspectives on the candidate's fit. Explanation. Involving multiple stakeholders helps the company make a well-rounded hiring decision based on different viewpoints. Question 18. What is one strategy to manage stress during interviews? Option A. Prepare and rehearse common questions. Option B. Drink lots of caffeine. Option C. Skip practice. Option D. Expect failure. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option A. Prepare and rehearse common questions. Explanation. Practicing answers can help you feel more confident and reduce anxiety during interviews. Question 19. Which of these is a hybrid of structured and unstructured formats? Option A. Panel interview. Option B. Group interview. Option C. A semi-structured interview. Option D. A technical interview. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option C. Semi-structured interview. Explanation. Semi-structured interviews combine set questions with open-ended discussion for deeper insights. Question 20. Which interview type might include personality assessments? Option A. A behavioral interview. Option B. The video interview. Option C. A panel interview. Option D. A HR interview. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option D. HR interview. Explanation. HR interviews often involve assessing soft skills and may include tools like personality tests to evaluate cultural fit. Question 1. Why are phone interviews often scheduled before in-person ones? Option A. They help filter candidates efficiently. Option B. They are more fun. Option C. They include technical assessments. Option D. They require special software. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option A. They help filter candidates efficiently. Explanation. Phone interviews are a cost-effective way to screen candidates before investing time in a full interview process. Question 2. Which of the following is most likely to involve hypothetical problem solving? Option A, panel interview. Option B, case interview. Option C, HR interview. Option D, our behavioral interview. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option B, case interview. Explanation. Case interviews present a hypothetical business problem to evaluate analytical and problem-solving skills. Question 3. How can researching the company help you in an interview? Option A. It lets you skip questions. Option B. It helps you tailor your answers to align with the company's values and goals. Option C. It allows you to copy other candidates' answers. Option D. It guarantees a job offer. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option B. It helps you tailor your answers to align with the company's values and goals. Explanation. Understanding the company's mission and culture helps you align your responses and show genuine interest. Question 4. What's the benefit of preparing questions to ask the interview? Option A. It guarantees a job offer. Option B. It reduces interview time. Option C. It shows you're genuinely interested and engaged. Option D. It helps you avoid answering questions. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option C. It shows you're genuinely interested and engaged. Explanation. Thoughtful questions demonstrate your interest in the role and help you learn more about the company and team. Question 5. What is a typical objective of the final interview round? Option A. To see if you are free for coffee. Option B. To assess cultural fit and finalize decisions. Option C. To check spelling. Option D. To delay the process. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option B. To assess cultural fit and finalize decisions. Explanation. The final interview often focuses on how well you'll fit in and may include leadership or executive decision makers. Question 6. What does a candidate fit usually refer to? Option A. Wearing the right clothes. Option B. How well your skills and personality match the role and company. Option C. Being the exact age they want. Option D. Having the same hobbies as the interview. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option B. How well your skills and personality match the role and company. Explanation. Candidate fit includes not only skills, but also work style, values, and interpersonal dynamics. Question 7. What should you do if you don't meet every requirement in a job description? Option A. Apply if you meet most and are willing to learn. Option B. Avoid applying. Option C. Lie on your resume. Option D. Complain on social media. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option A. Apply if you meet most and are willing to learn. Explanation. Many employers are open to hiring candidates who demonstrate potential, even if they don't meet every single requirement. Question 8. What does the follow-up after an interview typically involve? Option A, visiting the office unannounced. Option B, doing nothing. Option C, sending a polite thank you note or email. Option D, calling every hour for an update. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option C, sending a polite thank you note or email explanation. Following up with a thank you email reinforces your interest and keeps you top of mind. Question 9. What makes in-person interviews beneficial? Option A. They are easier than video calls. Option B. They offer better communication and rapport building. Option C. They eliminate stress. Option D. They require fewer questions. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option B. They offer better communication and rapport building. Explanation. In-person settings provide nonverbal cues and allow deeper connections between candidates and interviews. Question 10. Which interview type is best for evaluating how a candidate works under pressure? Option A, case interview. Option B, phone interview. Option C, a behavioral interview. Option D, HR interview. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option A, case interview. Explanation. Case interviews often introduce high-pressure scenarios that test a candidate's ability to think on their feet. Question 11. What's the primary focus of a culture fit interview? Option A, educational background. Option B, speed of completing tasks. Option C, technical knowledge. Option D, alignment with company values and work style. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option D, alignment with company values and work style. Explanation. Culture fit interviews assess whether a candidate's beliefs and work habits align with the company's values. Question 12. What can you expect in a technical interview for a software role? Option A, role-playing exercises. Option B, coding challenges or whiteboard problems. Option C, team-building games. Option D, trivia about company history. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option B, coding challenges or whiteboard problems. Explanation. Technical interviews for software roles typically test coding ability, logic, and problem-solving skills. Question 13. What is a healthy mindset when applying for jobs? Option A, apply only to your dream job. Option B, be optimistic but prepared for rejection. Option C, expect to be rejected every time. Option D, assume you will get every job. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option B. Be optimistic but prepared for rejection. Explanation. Balancing confidence with realism helps manage emotions and stay persistent. Question 14. What is an informational interview? Option A, an interview used to collect salary expectations. Option B, a final hiring round. Option C, a conversation to learn about a company or role, not tied to a job opening. Option D, a test-based interview. Take a moment to choose your answer. The correct answer is option C, a conversation to learn about a company or role, not tied to a job opening. Explanation. Informational interviews help candidates learn more about industries, companies, and roles without applying for a specific position.